The difference between electric and water vapor fireplaces. On the screen, three pictures because I subdivided electric fireplaces into two categories, LED and virtual.
The modern blaze show.
The first difference comes in the flame. For electric fireplaces, including LED and virtual, the flame is two-dimensional. It's flat. Even though they try to create more dimension with reflections and things like that, it is still a flat flame on the screen. Versus water vapor fireplaces, they actually have three-dimensional flames that you can touch. They can be installed as like a 360 fireplace that is open on all of the sides. So that's a big benefit of water vapor fireplaces. However, there are some real downsides of water vapor fireplaces, in my opinion. Let me scroll down a little bit. So even though they do have a stunning flame effect, they're not as easy to upkeep as simple electric fireplaces. So electric fireplaces, once installed, you don't need to do anything. Nothing at all. Wipe the glass off from the fingerprints and you're done. Water vapor fireplaces, depending on the hardness of your water, you will have to wipe off that white mist or white kind of dust that accumulates on the sides of the fireplace, or if you have a glass in front of it, on the glass sometimes. That is true. You're going to have to do that every once in a while. And then there is this part that's called transducer that produces that mist. That needs to be replaced about once a year. It will cost you about $100. Very easy plug and play, but it's still something that needs to be done. So that is a real downside, just a little bit more maintenance. Still probably less or about the same maintenance as gas, but this is something to keep in mind. So these are the main differences between electric and water vapor fireplaces. The flame, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and maintenance.
The modern blaze show.